Hello, my name is Otávio, and I am from the DevSpaces and Devhub import team. Our goal is to have the projects working on DevSpace and also on Devhub. So let's focus on Devhub import. This video is about a tool that I create to have a user interface for the Devhub import. So currently, the import is done using import order YAML. So we receive a repository with all the source code inside and this YAML, which guide us about what are the scripts to run, for instance, what are the commands to build the project. This file guides us and also guides Devhub to run the pipeline. What is really common in our work is to have, for instance, something failing in those scripts. One of our goals is to fix those scripts to get everything working. So this tool, the Devhub import dashboard, is a user interface to facilitate this work. So let me start a dev space from this source code just to show you what is this tool. So we can see here that the application is already running. So I can click on Open Browser to see the application. And this is the project for the hackathon. So I can paste a repository here, for instance, this one. And the idea of this dashboard is to have features that the import team can use to speed up the work. So for instance, when I select a project and click and put there, we can see that we have all the stats of the last build. For instance, in this case, it's failed. The build number, branch, all the stuff about this build is here. So yeah, and also we have the logs of this last build. So we can see here it's failing. And also we have the other builds here listed. So one thing that is really common is to try to fix the scripts that are running before getting it working in Devhub. So one of the features in this dashboard is this try fix, which will try to fix the build, the pipeline here, to get it working. So let me click on that, and then after that, I will explain what it does. So right now, the application is trying to fix, and we can see here that one fix has been executed. Okay, and now the status is in progress. So what the application did, it changed the source code to try to fix it, and now it's running the pipeline again. So let's wait until it finishes to see if it's possible to get it successful now. Okay, we can see now it's succeeded. So we can check the logs and see that everything's working just by clicking on that button. So what it did, inside the source code, we have this fixes folder. And in this example, I have just one fix for the most common problem we face during the import, which is the permissions inside the executed scripts. So all the files inside this fixes folder should follow this syntax. So they should have this executed function, and the function will receive the repository name and the logs. And with that, it will be able to fix a problem. So in this case, the problem is the fact that the scripts are not with the execution permission. So what this fix does is just adding this permission and committing again to the repository. So if we check the repository now, we will see a new commit here. And if we check what is this commit, it is just about changing the execution permission. So the dashboard can have many features. It's just a prototype about that, but we can also have all the import projects, the projects that are currently being imported here. And we can also have, for instance, the progress for each project. So one project can have many repositories, and in this case, I'm seeing one of the repositories. We can add many more features, but I focus on this one because I think it was the most important. They want to fix the broken pipelines, since it's really common to have such kind of stuff. And also, we can check in this time motion stuff all the things that we do in the import process. And one of the things that are most expensive, which spend most time, is about fixing things. So fixing broken scripts and things like that. So if we have a framework to automate those fixes, as I explained here, we can simply add more fixes here, for instance, to fix other common situations to speed up the import. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.